Hello and welcome to JavaScript Programming Language course for beginners. This is an introduction to JavaScript course. Here you'll see the source and reference for this video. I hope you'll be able to follow along this JavaScript course. The prerequisites for this course are the following: Sublime Text Editor and a web browser. As you watch this video, please bear in mind about our ESLRs. And these are right thought, right communication, right attitude, right conduct, and right lifestyle. Now let's proceed to our lesson. Section 7. JavaScript and HTML Forms. Lesson 7.5. Dropdown List. The code to check the drop-down list is more or less the same as for radio buttons. The only difference is in the if statement. Between the round brackets, we have the following. Drop-down lists have a selected property at the end. This means whether an item was selected from the list or not. Again, we're looping over all of the items. Whichever item was chosen will be placed in the variable called chosen. But it's the value property we want to place in the variable. This gets you the text of the item on the list. We want to detect if the user has left it on the default option of none. If so, it's an error and we can ask the user to try again. For a complete list of codes and classwork in this lesson, please check Google Classroom. Thank you.